How to change caption style on YouTube. If you don't like the caption style on your YouTube video and don't know how to change it, we'll show you how to do it today. Open the YouTube app. As you can see on the screen, this is default caption style on YouTube. There are many things which you can change, such as font size, font color, font family, and background color. Let's change our caption. Click on your YouTube account profile icon in the lower right corner. Access settings by clicking on settings in the upper right corner. Scroll down until you find the captions option, which we need to change the caption style. In the details section, select caption style. Here, you will find the provided caption styles, and you can choose one of them. However, if you want to personalize the caption style, scroll down until you find the custom options section. Choose font family and select the font you want. Once you've selected a font, you need to choose the background color. Click on background color and select one of the many colors available. We will choose this one. Now click on text color to choose the color of the text. We'll choose black. In the details section, choose text size to determine the font size. The text can be very small, normal size, large, or very large. We'll choose the normal font size. Now, go back to your channel and play a video to see how the new caption style looks. The changes will be applied to all videos you watch on the YouTube. We hope this video is helpful. Please support us and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.